Maluha-luha ang netizen sa latest Instagram story ni Chris Aquino matapos nitong aminin na nahihirapan na siyang maging matatag habang nakikipaglaban sa sakit autoimmune diseases since 2018. Kitang-kita rin sa latest photo ni Chris sa IG story ang mapupulang pantal sa kanyang payat na mukha. Dahil dito, sinabi ni Chris kung gaano niya namimiss ang yumaong ina na si dating Presidente Cory Aquino. Caption niya, "Unfortunately, I'm suffering from a bad flare and very clogged sinus passages. Even after nearly 15 years, any child who has lost their mom will agree, we still miss them so much. I keep going because I saw how much my mom endured, through all her procedures, chemotherapy, radiation etc. because she felt her kids weren't ready and needed time to accept that she'd no longer be around. Mom, may I have even just 20% of your courage at ability to surrender to God's will? It's getting more difficult to stay strong." Nauna nang sinabi ni Chris na pababalaikan na niya ng bansa si Bimbi, ang anak niyang bunso. Magtatrabaho na raw ito dahil pamahal daw ng pamahal ang kanyang medical expenses. Samantala, itinanggi ni Vice Governor Mark Levesque na uupo siyang governor ng Batangas dahil nga sa rigodan sa posisyon ng nasabing probinsya pagkatapos ng appointment ni Kong Ralph Recto as Secretary of Finance. Wala pa raw sa kanyang sinasabi si Gov Mandanas habang sinusulat namin ito. Wala namang binibigay na update si Chris kung sila pa rin ni Vice Governor Levesque.